Fellow Canadian, you just ruined my day. This is why you could check it out below. My kids call me Zendog, and most of the time I try and live up to the moniker. The one thing that gets me is the subject of that video. Only in the appliance service world, it's worse. Much worse. In fact, I have a colleague. We went to the same high school, same church, pumped us full of truth serum, locked us in a room, and watched the fun. There is only a couple of things we would actually agree on. The only one that matters is that customers and technicians suffer at the hands of predatory, no fixed address internet marketers who prey on good people every day. The other thing that we agree on is we do care about our customers. Time and time again, we've seen firsthand how it works. First, leverage AdSense. Get to the top or near the top of the page. Then say factory authorized instead of factory certified. There's a difference, and they're counting on you not knowing that. While you're at it, use the manufacturer's logos you don't have permission to use. No ruse is too small, too subtle. Then reel them in. Technicians are standing by. We offer the cheapest rates in town.
Too good to be true. Because it is.
In a lot of different ways. How about just that? Standing by part. How much does it cost to keep a skilled journeyman appliance technician, tools, parts, and vehicle standing by? And who is going to pay for it?
Too good to be true.
Because it is. What happens repeatedly is they are not authorized, let alone certified. That trained technician is at best a handy person with a toolbox, driving their own vehicle with their own insurance, tools, and equipment. Was the bulk of the training received from the company how to get the customer to pay more than they should while making it look like a bargain? It's surprisingly easy. The fridge quit, the food is stinking, Uncle Gerald is coming on Saturday, and naturally you want to show off a bit. So they can quote any kind of estimate they want. Are you calling for a second opinion at that point? No time. You're emotionally vulnerable, and they know it. You, their customer, aren't shopping. The fridge is down. The food stinks. They were the cheapest advertisement on the internet. So, makes sense. No one's going to be cheaper. If you get a second opinion, it will take longer. You need help now. Yes, you never saw the manipulation coming until it hit the bill. Better yet, it works great both ways. The estimate is too high to repair? Fine. Send them to their friend at XYZ store and collect your service call and a nice spiff for that referral. If you do decide to fix it, for sure the kitchen sink is in the bill. I dare you to find it. If you write the review they deserve, guaranteed no one will ever see it. 3 things they know how to do. Leverage AdSense. Leverage your panic. Manage their reputation. When the reputation management fails, change the name, rinse, repeat. This is bad for the customer, worse for the appliance repair industry. If you're a legitimate technician and your new customer is distrustful, that's not on them, that's the predator's fault. And we're all paying for it. The appliance repair industry is on the verge of a renaissance. The customer is finally ready to choose repair over replace. The only question is whether we're ready to meet them or whether we're going to let the predators take this away from us too. More on that next time.
I am going to call that a hot take.
It should be noted that plenty of service companies operate without a brick and mortar location. Finding the good ones might be harder, however, not impossible. Ask questions, know what you are getting.
Hot take or not, you just gave us a little over 5 minutes of your time. Thank you. Only the top 10% get here. We will be back with less hot takes.